Hello guys, we are discussing chapter 10 images formed by lens and I am Vaishali Kigan. So let's start our discussion with the problem number 1 which states a 1.5 centimeter high object is 8 centimeter from a converging lens of 2.5 centimeter. Draw a ray diagram to locate the image of the object and state its altitude, location and type. So first of all we have to draw the diagram. So now for the diagram we will be seeing the height of the object which is 1.5 centimeter, right? We will be making a converging lens and we will be placing it 8 centimeter, right? So here we will be having 8 centimeter distance and the lens is having the focal length of 2.5 centimeter, right? So this is how we can make the ray diagram. What we have to do, we have to take 3 rays and we all know the rays which is parallel, it is going to pass from the focus. The rays which is passing through the center will be going as it is and the ray which is passing through the focus will become parallel. So in this manner we have made 3 rays and at the point the 3 rays are going to meet, there we will be having the image. So you can see the image formed is real, right? It is formed at the right side of the converging lens. It's the real image, right? So it is inverted, so you can see the direction of the arrow. Here it is upward, here it is downward. It's a inverted image and the image formed is in between the F point and 2F point, right? So this is how we can trace the location of the image. Now when we measure the height of the image came out to be minus 0.70. Why we have put minus sign over here? Because it's in the downward direction, so we are having the minus sign. It is measured downward from the principal axis, minus 0.70 centimeter, and we can have the height of object which is 1.5 centimeter. So magnifying is having the formula height of image upon height of object. What is the height of image? Minus 0.70. What is the height of object? 1.5 centimeters, right? So now when you divide it, you are going to get equal to minus 0.47 and this is the magnification of the given lens. I hope you understood this. Now coming to the next question, it states a 1.5 centimeter high object is located 8 centimeter from a diverging lens of focal length 2.5 centimeter. Draw a ray diagram to locate the image of the object and states its altitude. So now the object here is again 1.5 centimeter in height, right? And it is placed 8 centimeter in front of a lens which is a diverging lens over here. Now we know the diverging lens is going to diverge the ray of beams, right? The rays are going to diverge after coming from this lens, so the parallel ray is going to move away and it appears to come from the focus. The ray which is going through the center will go as it is and the ray which is going towards the focus will become parallel. So now when we combine all of the virtual rays, we are going to get the image. So you can see here we have the virtual image, right? So the attitude of the image we had to state, this is the image which is the virtual image. Now the second thing, we have to measure the image height from our ray diagram and calculate the magnification. So again you can take the 3 rays and you can measure the height of the image. The height of the image will be here 0.40 centimeter. Why it is positive? It is positive because it is measured upside the principal axis. Now here if you know the formula for magnification, you are going to put the height of image which is 0.40 centimeter divided by the height of object which we took as 1.5 centimeter. So it will come out to be equal to 0.27, right? So now moving on to the next question. I hope you understood how we calculate the magnification. So now here the part A states at what distance must a postage stamp be placed behind a magnifying glass with a focal length of 10 centimeter if the virtual image is to be formed 25 centimeter behind the lens. And second part is what are the magnification and altitude of the image. So focal length is given 10 centimeter, right? So it is a magnifying glass and this is the reason it's a converging lens. We have taken the focal length to be in positive. Now it is placed behind the magnifying glass, right? So we have a virtual image in this case. So now D1 is taken as minus 25 centimeter. Now we have to find out where we have to place the postage stamp, right? So now we have to find out D0, right? So D0 1 upon d naught plus 1 upon d1 is equal to 1 upon f. This is a thin lens formula that we already know. So from this formula, if I calculate d naught, what I will be doing, I will be taking 1 upon d1 this side. So I will be having 1 upon f minus 1 upon d1 is equal to 1 upon d naught. So if I take the inverse of it, I will be getting d naught. D naught is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon d1 inverse. So let's put all of the values. So d naught will be equal to 1 upon f, which is 1 upon 10, minus 1 upon d1, which is 1 upon minus 25, right? So when you calculate it, it will come out to be equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 25, which is equal to an inverse, which is equal to 7.1 centimeter, right? So here you will be having inverse as well. Now coming to the second part, now moving on to the magnification is equal to minus di upon d naught, right? So now here what is di? Di is minus 25, so it will be having minus 25 minus, and what is d naught? We have calculated it to be equal to 7.1, so it will be equal to 25 upon 7.1, which is equal to 3.5. So this is how you can calculate all of them. I hope you understood all of them. Thank you so much.